With no food and money left, 17 migrant workers from Karbi Anglong forced to return home on bicycles. One person ran over by a car in Dipu. "40-year-old Pantulu LP School on the verge of ruin." Hello viewers of Karbi Anglong Live, I'm Julie Bepi with the latest news of today. Now let's look into the news in detail. Assam saw its biggest surge in COVID cases with as many as 15 cases on Wednesday. Another 8 new cases were reported on Thursday. With this, Assam's hope for some relief from the disease are now shattered. Here is a report. State Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma confirmed this report through a tweet on Wednesday evening. All the 15 new cases have been reported on Wednesday were from the Kamrup metro area. He also informed that all of them are related to the patient from Fancy Bazaar who had recently tested positive. The 8 patients who have tested positive on Thursday include 3 cancer patients, 1 heart patient and 3 attendants who were brought back from Mumbai. With this, the Assam now has total 44 active cases. Till that, out of the 86 cases reported from the state, 2 had succumbed to the disease and 39 had been discharged. This has created more fear among the people. However, the minister has urged the people not to panic and that all the patients are now in quarantine. It may be mentioned that Dr. Sarma on Wednesday informed that 163 students from Delhi and 24 cancer patients from Chennai had been brought back to the state. They are now undergoing 14 days mandatory quarantine process. Meanwhile, in India, there is no respite seen in the rise of cases as the nation had registered a total of 78,810 cases by the time this report was filed. Out of this, 2,564 have died. NewsDesk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Altogether, 17 workers from Karbi Anglong district stranded in Chennai have been forced to return to their native home in Assam after their employers shut down their establishment in wake of the nationwide lockdown. These men are on their way on bicycles and have reportedly entered Andhra Pradesh. More from our Delhi correspondent. These 17 men from Upper Dikrong under Dhansiri constituency who have ran out of food and money due to lockdown have been forced to return home on bicycle. In addition to being laid off from the company they work for, these workers stated that they have not been paid their salary, making it impossible for them to stay any longer as the nationwide shutdown is likely to extend. In a video, one worker stated that they left Chennai on May 12 and have now entered Andhra Pradesh. This man from Karbi Anglong district, Assam, said that their train booking has not been accepted, forcing them to take drastic decision.
সহায় বিচাৰি আছোঁ যে আমি কেনেকৈ পঞ্চিম বুলি আমি আপোনাবিলাকক জনাই আছোঁ। আমি এনেও মৰিম তেনেও মৰিম, যিমানলৈকে যাব পাৰে আমি যাই থাকিম বুলি আমি ওলাই গৈছোঁ। এতিয়া ৰুমত থাকিলেও আমাক খেদি ওলাই।
Further, these workers have appealed the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council led by CM Tuliram Ronghang and local MSc Pradeep Diphusa for immediate assistance for their home return. The worker also stated that their bicycle have also damaged but will continue their journey even if they may die trying. The worker has urged upon the leaders and well-wishers to contact them at 721-7631-267 and 86380-56293 in order to reach out to them. Vijay Rompi for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic incident, an employee of Assam Oil Petrol Pump was killed after being hit from the back at the heart of Dipu town here on Thursday evening. This comes at a time when the people of the district are still recovering from the shock and grief following the suicide of two persons this week. Here is a report. The deceased has been identified as a 35-year-old Deepak Shah, an employee of Assam Oil Petrol Pump located in the heart of Dipu. The incident took place in the evening at around 6:20 p.m. near Rongparpi, Rongbei Police Point.
अभी उसी ना उससे निकला बन करके जैसे पुलिस मतलब अपना गेट से बाहर निकला और मतलब पॉइंट के थोड़ा इधर में ही था तो पीछे से गाड़ी जाकर रेड कलर का और मार दिया.
The driver of the red color Datsun Redigo with the registration plate AS02AB4359 has been identified as 30 years old Johnny Crow, son of late Joycing Crow, a resident of Lorurangso, Dipu. Meanwhile, the driver along with the car was kept under custody of local police while the dead body was taken for postmortem to Dipu Medical College at the time of filing this report. It may be mentioned that this incident has shocked the entire residents of the town as the dead person was very familiar with public. Bikram Crow from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live. Located inside Amri constituency of West Karbi Anglong, Pantulu LP School, which was established in 1975, is on the verge of complete ruin due to lack of attention from the government, concerned department and elected representative. Broken doors, shattered roofs, cracked walls and unusual furniture. This is the school where students of the area are hoping to shape their future. Established in 1975, this 45-year-old school is located in the Assam-Meghalaya border, falling under the Amri constituency of West Karbi Anglong. More importantly, this part of region is the most backward area in terms of literacy and the lack facilities and attention in the district. People of the area also believe that things are not going to get better for them any sooner. During a visit, Karbi Anglong Live found that the school does not have any doors or windows, and even the roof of the veranda was heavily damaged in the recent storm. With few benches scattered inside, the school does not seem to hold any atmosphere for education, nor can we expect any positive performance from the school. The poor families of the area do not have the capacity to send their children to private schools, forcing majority of them to give up education of their children. The people of the area has appealed upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council under the present leadership of CEM Tuliram Ronghang to visit and take action after lockdown is ended. P. Ratane from Birsinki, Karbi Anglong Live. In other small step towards development, the construction of major link road is underway in Daithor. The construction has been initiated by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang and MEC cum Forest Board Chairman Richard Dogby. More from our correspondent. This road is being constructed to smoothen the communication and movement of people between Daithor Market to Rongbongkhat under number 26 Duarbaguri constituency. This scheme has been released by the KAAC and inaugurated by Assam Minister Piyush Hazarika. As part of this project, the road has been broadened by filling earth and metals on both sides. The road through Hanboka Hills, which was steep and narrow, has been cut down to increase the space. There are several culverts, out of which some are yet to be completed. This road is lifeline for all the people in Daithor and the areas of Rongbongkhat and Deihuri, as well other different places like Chokihola, Koilamati and Silonijan among others. Once this road would be completed, it would serve a very smooth plying all kinds of vehicles within an hour up to Daithor to Rongbongkhat or vice versa. The people of this area have appreciated the construction of this road and have urged the authority for its early completion. Crispas Rongpar from Daithor for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have it as for today. Stay safe and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.